Tara, Alma here. It was nice speaking with you earlier today. And as promised, here is the video that I mentioned I was going to send you to help you get more customers. I'm also comparing you side by side with two of your competitors in Granada Hills. I have VR and I have eco-friendly plumbing. So let's get started. I want to talk about three things. I want to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. What is content? Content are all the words and pictures you have on your main page. Google doesn't care how beautiful your site looks. What they care about is that you have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words to help you rank higher on Google. So let's see how many you have here. I have this tool I use as a counter. It looks like you have 320 words. VR has 1152 and eco-friendly only 274. Another important part of the content on your main page is having all the pictures saved under a keyword. If we try to save this image here, if you see, it does not give me a keyword. It should say something like plumbing, Granada Hills, or Granada Hills plumbing, etc. You get the point on that one. They should be saved under there because it helps potential customers find you online when they're looking for the services that you offer. Now, for the second thing I would like to talk about, I want to use this tool called Ahrefs, which is a paid tool that I like to use. It costs about $300 a month to use this tool. You can use it yourself. But the reason why I like it is because it gives me information behind the scenes on your website. So let's talk now about backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks is having a website refer to another via a clickable link. And they are important because they help with these three things. They help, number one, with ranking. Google sees them as votes of confidence. Number two, it helps search engines discover your content faster. And number three, it helps them with referral traffic when someone clicks on a link to your website. And it gives them power, and the power shows here. Backlinks are also called link juice, which is a term used to measure how much power a backlink passes on to your site. And it looks like you have 6, but they're not really giving you any power because not all backlinks are made equal. Some are no-follow. What is a no-follow link? A no-follow is a link that is not endorsed by the original author or publisher of the page. They do not count as a point in your page's favor, and they do not boost your page's ranking. So as you can see here, of the 6 that you have, 2 are do follow and 4 are no follow. So meaning these are not passing on their link juice to you to give you the power. Let's look at our competitors of VR. They have 23 and they also are not getting power because not all of them are passing on the juice, the link juice. Now let's look at eco-friendly. They're not doing too good at all. The only one that they have is a no follow, so they're getting absolutely nothing. They're not registering any numbers for power or trust on their website. Now the last thing I want to talk about are citations. What are citations? Citation is having your website name, address, and phone number listed online in as many local directories as possible. What that does is, number one, it gives you visibility, credibility, and it also helps with your organic traffic. You're not getting any traffic from your site. VR is getting a little traffic, but they also have a lot of keywords. And we'll go back to keywords in a second. Let's look at eco-friendly. Nothing, no keywords or anything. Their site, unfortunately, is not working for them either. So let's go back to keywords. Keywords are important because, as I mentioned earlier, they help people find you. When people go online and they put on the search bar, plumbing services in Granada Hills, whoever has keywords on their site are the ones that are coming ahead of you. That is why VR is getting a lot more traffic and they're ranking higher because of their keywords. They have 101, and they're relevant to the services that they offer. So to summarize, I recommend getting a lot more content to your site so that you help Google display your business information in search results. Because the more content you have, the more value to the users and the higher your ranking. Also adding quality backlinks from as many authoritative websites as possible to increase your power. So those websites pass on the link just to you and give you power. And finally, citations. Add more citations to your site to lend credibility to your business and help impact your ranking. These are all the things that you can do on your own to help you rank higher on Google and get you more organic traffic. I hope I've been able to provide you with some valuable information, and all that I ask is if you could please reply to this email with a short line of feedback. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.